Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kay, and yeah, today I'm going to be unboxing this new Sony ZV-1, or like the best vlogging camera apparently, or like the vlogging. This is the first camera in the vlogging section of the Sony lineup. So yeah, with that I also bought this grip as well, since it's preferred, I believe, because it's released when this was released, and it says it like with the thing, so, and it's for vloggers, right? So it's easier to hold it with a hand grip rather than So yeah, let's start by unboxing the camera first, then the grip after. So yeah, I think this so this records in 4K HDR, Wi-Fi certified micro SD, multi HDMI, Adobe ODA, and yeah, there's other things. So the camera is 20.1 megapixel with a zoom lens of 24-70 and focal length of 1.8 to 2.8, which is good for like the size, because the box is tiny. Like this is my hand, and this, like, what's going on? It is mad. Like this camera is tiny for the amount, like what it says in the spec, because it's pretty powerful. Apparently the audio is good as well, and it has like the eye tracking and the phasal, a zoom optimal automatic focus as well, which is really good. And it's the same one in the new cameras as like the Sony A7 IV and stuff. So yeah, it should be good. Okay, let's start. Oh, I can see the camera. There we go. That's what's inside. Let me not drop anything. So this is the camera body. It's pretty heavy, like for this size. That's the camera body. What else is in the box? We have the hot shoe mic, or the wind preventer, which will fit in the hot shoe adapter, and also a USB to micro USB kind of thing to charge the thing. We don't have any power adapter, but the battery, yeah, which is annoying because you have to put the battery inside the camera and charge the camera while the battery's inside. So you can't have a spare battery and charge while you're recording, which is annoying. But I think you could buy it separately on the Sony website. But yeah, and that's it. Let me put this away to the side, and let's open the main camera body. Oh, this is nice. This is a solid build. For the price it's given, I thought the quality is going to be bad, but I don't know if you could hear it. That's like the material. It's like plastic, but it's not like the weak one, or like the bag ones. It's really good. And this is where the hot shoe mount is. So I could take that out and replace this with this wind resistant one if we're outside. Also, I believe it has the same adapter as like some wireless microphone as the Rode Go as well, so you can just fit that in and connect the audio jack, which is here as well, so that should be fine. Yeah, let me just explore the camera beforehand. So the audio jack's here. Oh, the door is pretty good. So the audio jack is there, I don't know if you can see. And the next one is it says multi, I don't know what that is. Oh, that's just the USB thing to charge it, I think. And the next one, that is the micro HDMI cable to connect it to an external monitor if you want. But yeah, and the power thing is here, which you could shut it down. And same as the USB, the SD card also goes in there as well, where the power tray is. Yeah. The special thing about this camera is the screen, right? Because it's a flip out screen, so you can just flip it out like that. And twist it as well. Oh, there we go. So you could leave it this way. And also like, you could record it when you're vlogging, so like that. And I could see myself. The build is really good. I'm really impressed with the build, because for the price when you just given it, it's really good. That is solid. Okay, I will put this away because we don't need it for now. Same as the windows, but I'm not outside. But yeah, let's start by putting the battery in. Hopefully it has some charge in the battery, but this is the battery is NPBX1. I think it's the same as the A600, I believe, or the other compact cameras ones. So yeah, let me just put the battery in to see. Or before I do that, let me get the grip. So I feel like the grip should contain a memory card as well, but yeah. So let's unbox this before I get started with like setting up the camera. Is there anything to talk about here? No, it's just a standard grip. This is a wireless Bluetooth grip as well, so you could just, it's like a remote control as well, so if I want to set up the camera over there and record it from here with the remote rather than pressing it. So that's good as well. There are just some paperwork about the grip, how to set it up and stuff, which is useless, but yeah. It should be self-explanatory, so you don't need that. It's just different other manuals and stuff, which is no point. Here is like a sleeve. Is it microfabric? Yeah, it is. So isn't it? It's a microfabric sleeve to put your grip and maybe a camera. I don't know, but you could use it to wipe your screen as well, wipe that screen. But yeah. So here we go. Yeah, it's just the thing. I don't think there is an SD card. Yeah, this is just the battery. And this is the grip. Oh wow. Whoa. I thought the grip was expensive. I think it was like 170 something pounds. But when looking at the build quality, it makes sense. This is a solid grip. I'm really impressed with the quality of the stuff, you know. Oh, that's cool. Nice. Well, let me just put this on and get started. I don't know if it works without an SD card because I need to go get it, which is long. But yeah. How the heck do I turn it on? I don't know. Oh, it's working. There we go. Let me get a close up of the cell. So I'm just gonna review this. So the button is here. Oh, let me just do like a show of this whole camera while we're close up, right? So that's the battery opener and the SD card, as I mentioned. So the battery is already in, the SD card is right underneath. And here are some of the buttons for like the setting up, everything. And the material is really good, as I mentioned. So as you can see here, it actually just says like the focal point of 1.8 and to 2.8 with a zoom of 2.5 or 24 to 70, but I don't know if this is it. But yeah, so that's just a close up of the camera. Then yeah, let me just recap. So that's just the audio jack. So wait, my fingers are too big, I think. Oh, yeah, that's the audio jack, as you can see. And this is to charge the HDMI port. And this is the mini HDMI to connect to an external monitor. And yeah, this is what I was talking about, the swivel thing. So if I want to do it, just vlog like that, and you can see the screen here. And if I want to record it from like holding up power, I can just twist the screen like that, and also close it if I wanted to. So that's good. But the good thing is like I can just, the camera is auto, so it turns it on automatically, which is really good for a quick vlog. So I didn't press the button here, just when I just closed it and opened it again, it was like that, so that's good. Let's start by setting up. I'm in the UK, so, or English, I guess language. Then, yeah, I define my time zone, which is same as UK, London. There we go. Daylight saving, no. Time date not set. There we go. Date format, date. There we go. That makes more sense. Daylight saving. What does that mean? Let me just turn that off for now. Available one thing. Okay. Oh, it's not touching. Oh, camera's on. Wow, that is mad. Okay. Wow, this is really clear. Well, what I see on this monitor isn't mad compared to my current iPhone thing, so this is pretty cool. And let me just zoom out to see what you guys, so this is what you guys kind of see, so I'm just setting up with me in the background. So you can see on the camera, but I don't have an SD card recorded to show you what it looks like. So yeah, this is pretty good. Wow, that's amazing. And yeah, there's some other buttons as well. Let me just turn this off. So this is like the product showcase button, which is really good down the zoom and stuff. So that just turns everything off. That is cool. And this is pretty small. I think it's the same size as for a phone as well, so you can just put it in your pocket and stuff. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. Well, for now, I could just connect this to here, right? Just to show you guys how to connect it. I think you just put it on the screw here. But I think when you're connected, you can't change the battery with it, which is dumb. But yeah, so then you can just twist it like that. This is handy rather than twisting the whole camera, right? You just do that. And now it's securely tightened. Wow. Then, yeah. And I can just put it on the leg like that. And yeah, that's it. There we go. That's the camera. Nice.